Assalamualaikum and welcome to my tutorial video for today. So today I will be guide you on how to use Microsoft Excel, which then you can applicate it in your daily life and to do your work. So today what we're gonna do now is we will look at this one scenario and we will help him solve the problem. So now let me look at the scenario here. So here Ali wants to generate a histogram based on the data that he had received from his research team, and he needs to present the analyzed data in front of his other classmates. He is clueless because he never used any productivity software before. Therefore, we need to guide him on how to construct a histogram based on data given. So if we look here, there is a table, right? And then we need to construct a histogram and because he never used any productivity software before. And for your information, productivity software is too easier to understand. It is like Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, or Excel. That is an example of productivity software. So now, by using productivity software, and here we will be using Excel, we need to construct a histogram. Okay, now, first of all, you need to click on the Start app, and there will be Excel icon here. So click on the Excel icon, and will be bring to this page. And now we want to click the blank workbook here, and then here it is. This Excel. And now go back to the data here. The raw data is in the table, and we need to copy all the data here. So to copy data, so if you doesn't know how to copy the data, so first of all we need to highlight all the data and click the right click and then click copy, and then that's it. You copy the data, and then to copy the data, to paste the data to the Excel, so you want to right click any of the cell and paste it just like that. So if we look here, right, there's a border, the title, so we want to make it tidier. Just bring it, drag it like that. Same goes to here. There you go. So now we have the data, our data paste to the Excel. So now if you look here, there is a error here, which is the date. If you look at the data, is not the same, right? It's 10/14, but here is October and 14. So it is the format of the Excel, which is a date format. So we want to change that. So what we're going to do here is we will click on the D3 cell, and then we rewrite our data. But first of all, we need to click the put an apostrophe symbol. After we put our apostrophe symbol, now then and now you can rewrite the data, and then it will not be changed, just like that. Okay, now we want to construct a histogram, right? So how? We need to highlight the data again, choose right click, and then go to the quick analysis here. When you click it, it will brought you this option of the formatting, the charts, the total, the table. So we want to construct a histogram. So we go to chart and clustered column. Now we have the chart here, but it is not a histogram. So we need to change it. Go to the quick layout and choose layout 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Layout 8. And now we have a nice looking histogram right here. But we need a border, right, for our histogram. So click the bar here, right click, and then choose outline, choose a preferred color. So for here I will choose black. Then click again the outline, go to weight and go to 1 pt, and there you go, a nice border for your histogram. And now you have your histogram, but it is not um to it's not the correct title here. So to change the title, our histogram title, just simply click on the chart title here, and then you can edit. For here I will write a title here, for example, histogram of suggested price, right? And then that's it. And then for the y and x axis, the same. For x axis here is a price range, right? Price range in ringgit, right? So we need to change it. Change it. Just simply click on the price range, the axis title, and change it to price range ringgit. There you go. Same goes to the y-axis, which is here is it says total respondent, right? Need to change it to axis title, change to total. Now, so now we have your histogram, and if you want to edit it based on your preferred reference, right? Go to chart element, and it will show you various of other elements that if you want to add, such as there is a trend line here, which is it will show you the trend line of your histogram, legend, or basically that's the preference, which is the this for example the bar here should show total respondent, so it will show you for reference or for the viewer of your histogram. There's also a grid line, arrow bar, the data table, and label. So if you can choose based on your preferred type. And now there you go, you have a histogram of the suggested price. So at the end of the day, Ali will be having a great presentation of the data that he given to him to his other classmates in a better way instead of using this table. So now Ali's problem had been solved. So that's all for me, and thank you for watching my video. Assalamualaikum.